One of the most influential characteristics of the modern training context is that the environment is constantly changing. In the 21st century, companies have to deal with all kinds of new challenges, everything from e-commerce to the effects of globalization to new knowledge, new technology, new information, all of the time. Because the environment is constantly changing, many companies are trying to figure out ways that they can stand out, that they can compete with other companies in their industry. One way companies can adapt to these changes is to invest in their human resources, in their people, and invest in the policies, procedures, and systems that influence employees' attitudes and behaviors in the workplace. Collectively, these policies, practices, procedures, systems, all of the above, are called human resource management. The HR department is typically responsible for numerous functions, everything from recruiting new employees to selecting those with the KSAOs that are required for the job, to measuring and improving performance through training and development. Now, it's important to note that training alone is not going to solve a company's problems. Training and development are just two of many solutions to a variety of different problems that different organizations may face. They can be beneficial, they can help a company gain a competitive advantage, but they are not always the answer, and they are rarely the only part of the broader solution.